hello to all my friends out there. And so one of the comments was, why put the foil in the bottom of the teapot? And so when I clean silver jewelry, the recipe was foil, soda, and baking soda, and vinegar or lemon, white vinegar. So this teapot, I don't know if you can see, it says on there, silver on copper. So I figured this teapot was some amount silver, so I could clean it like the silver jewelry. As to what the exact chemical reaction is, I don't know, but like when I clean grimy jewelry, that's how I clean it. And this thing was really grimy. I don't know if you can see in there, but most of the grime, I'll try to point it over here. Most of the grime is out. There's still a little bit of grime, but I think in these silver teapots, they go with the territory. And what I do is I scrub them up with some, I don't know if this is a good idea, scouring pads. You know, I just put, I made a little paste of baking soda and I had lemon juice and I scoured around in there. And then I have a jewelry cleaner and I scrubbed it up with that. And so I even got the spout pretty clean. And so I just, the main enemy of this is moisture. So, you know, I just make sure I air dry it, and it'll probably look better in a few days, you know, after I clean it up a little bit. So that is why I put the foil in the bottom. So, for cleaning messes in the house, I like dishwasher detergent in boiling hot water. I usually always start with that one. Like when I buy something at the thrift store, I submerge it in boiling hot water with dishwasher detergent. And the one that's the best is the one with the little dots. Those are expensive, so I just use my Dollar Tree detergent, and I submerge it for about a half hour. Then I start scrubbing around, and you know, this one was really grubby, so that's why and what I did is I threw the foil in the bottom of there, and this is very little. See, you can't fit your hand in there. So you know, I had to scrub it around with the knife, you know, on the bottom of my my SOS pad, you know. And so, but in the end, it's pretty good now. So this is not the end of these silver teapots. This is only the beginning. And so thank you for asking, and God bless you all.